Hey, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And we're going to be talking about rugged tablets, buyer's guide for this year, 2025. So what are some suggested guides should you use when determining what rugged tablet you might need? Well, the first thing you're going to figure out is how much do you want it to weigh? There are heavy tablets that maybe are heavier in the class, and then there's lighter weight tablets. All of that's going to be based on how big the screen is and how big the battery is. Do you need long battery life because you're going to be out in the woods? Well, you're going to want that brand new 15-hour battery. Also, are you going to be out in the daylight? Will you need if you are going to be out in the daylight, you will need a high nit screen. Most fully rugged tablets come with a 1,000 nit screen. Also, is it going to be raining or anything like that in the environment that you'll be working in? You're going to want to make sure that the touch is touchable and the rain will not affect the touch screen. Will you be wearing gloves? You're going to want to have glove touch on your tablet touch screen as well. These are just some of the things that you need to be worried about whenever you're looking at these tablets. So you want to look at Panasonics, you want to look at Getacs, and the rugged Dell lines. Those are your top 3 choices. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment down below. I'll answer any questions you might have. Don't forget to like the channel and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.